Learning to use Blue Book to shop for healthcare is easy. You can search by procedure, physician, or facility. Let's look for a specific procedure. Enter your preferred city or zip code. To the left of the location, type in the first few letters of a procedure to see a list of options. Note that this procedure is eligible for a reward. Make your selection from the menu and you'll see the fair price for the procedure in your location, along with a reminder that this is a rewardable procedure and a link to learn more about rewards. Remember, the fair price is the reasonable amount you should expect to pay for a procedure or medical service in your area. Green indicates facilities that charge at or below the fair price, yellow for costs slightly above the fair price, and red for the highest cost facilities. Look at the difference between Blue Book's fair price and the facility charging the highest cost. In this example, you'll save over $1,600 just by choosing a green facility. Remember that prices vary by location. Select from the list of facilities. You can sort by cost or distance. Choose your preferred green fair price facility to see contact information and directions, along with the reward amount. But before you schedule care, make sure your chosen provider is in-network. You'll also want to confirm the price. And don't forget about your reward. Simply use Blue Book to search for eligible procedures. Select, schedule, and receive care from a green fair price facility. Once your appointment has been completed and confirmed, you'll receive your reward. That's all there is to it. What are you waiting for? Start shopping. Healthcare Blue Book, your guide to high-quality, affordable healthcare.